Good morning. Uh, all of you know that due to lockdown, our study schedule will go in the same way. So this class is for pre-1, and we will now start over scientific point of view. Yes, Hayden, you know about the writer. He is the writer of this chapter, and Hayden is a very supportive to scientific point of view, as the title shows that scientific point of view means uh, point of view should be scientific, means should be justified. This is the concept of the writer, very clear concept of the writer, that yes, he is supportive to the scientific point of view, and science and is only the sole medium that can give you the proper growth. So writer is telling that science is something different as a subject, but being scientific is something different. Try to understand, science as a subject, that is different thing, but being scientific, somewhat a different thing. So writer is supportive that yes, being scientific is important. One should be scientific in taking anything as a subject, as your in your day-to-day life, any thought if you are going through. So try to analyze everything with a scientific point of view. Scientific point of view is very important, my dear, very important. As he has started scientific point of view, he has told that yes, earlier we didn't have any, we were very backward. I mean, gradually we felt the need of science. Our scientific point of view has developed. Then only we felt that yes, we should cultivate something scientific, and this way we have started inventing very so many scientific things, as in present time we can never imagine our life without without scientific equipments. Everywhere there is science now. Suppose that we are using electricity, geyser, fan, TV, iron. Earlier we had cart, now we have a four-wheeler or aeroplane, or everywhere razor, even for the barik cheez, matlab fickle thing, minor thing we are using for shaving. Now we are using razor or cooking gas and cooker in kitchen. Everywhere everything has become scientific. So without science we can never develop ourselves. So and scientific point of view is very important to develop with. At one place he has told that earlier what was our thought was that earth is flat. And heaven is a concrete body. We can touch the heaven. Yes, we can touch the heaven, and if earth is not flat, then if earth is round, we will fall down. So earth is flat, definitely, then we are standing over it, we are sitting over it. So earth is flat, and heaven is a concrete body with which we can touch it. But now scientific research move on, and we felt that no, earth is round and heaven is empty. Heaven is empty and earth is round. So this way many more other things. Scientific research shows that yes, the thing should not be taken as it seems. We should analyze it with our concept, with our mind, with our reasoning. That must be justified. That justified definition is important. And the second example he has given about Negro. All of us know about Nelson Mandela, who stands for the color discrimination, and Negroes, when they were being discarded by the white people, he stood as a great leader, and still he is he's accepted as a noble person, as a great leader. So this color discrimination, he has given the references that yes, earlier time Negro were being discriminated by the white men because they were not up to the level, but just for their complexion is not fair. Just think how illogical it is, how means idiotic it is, because their color is black, so they are not going to enjoy the same stature as the white men will. So it is not scientific at all. Scientific research, the writer as well says that yes, you can say that this can be a political concept, but the scientific concept says that yes, in the northern state their birth rate is much higher than their death rate, and in the southern state the thing is opposite. Means what? The atmospherical impact over their birth and death rate means much. Yes, their emotional level is not going to deal with here, where we are dealing with their practical growth. Yes, practically they are, when they are getting taking birth, and when they die. It depends upon the atmospherical background, atmosphere. So this is also scientific research, undoubtedly. And one more at one more place he has told. Yes, Christian mythology. About Christian mythology, Christian concept. What does that? Christian mythology. What do they think? They think that yes, if you are getting tortured or if you are getting pained in this running life, means what? You are cutting your past deeds. You are getting the result of your past deed. Who knows? Damn it! Who knows our past deed? How it would be justified? Give a damn to it. No one knows about our past deed. Past birth. Have you ever known what was you in your past birth? Who was you in your past birth, and what you did in your past birth? No one knows, na? Just give a damn of it. But yes, Christian mythology says that whatever you are, if you're blind today, if you're a diseased person today, then it must be because a baby is taken birth diseased. A baby is taken birth, and he has done nothing because he has recently taken birth. So he has not passed his time in this world. So how he can be diseased? Why he is diseased? What outcome he is getting for what? Why is getting this outcome? So nothing is justified. So he tells that he is cutting his past deed. Who knows? This is not scientific. Scientific research means you should analyze why he has taken why he has taken birth blind. There must be some reason. Go for the research, do its remedy. There are many more blind persons who have got their light back. If I am diseased, if I have taken birth, or even if after growing up, if I am diseased, so I am taking medicine for that, na? So I am again back in my normal life. Means what? Means moral of the story is that science is the sole reason of your development. Till you are not developing your concept, till your concept is not scientific, you are not a developed person. According to the writer, you should concentrate over. And one more thing, at one more places he has told that science can pass judgment. He cannot direct you moral or immoral. What is moral and what is immoral? Science cannot give you this direction. Science can only give you the judgment. If you are doing this, you are going to have this result. Only this much of. And last poet has also mentioned at one place that science should come out from laboratory. Yes, coming out from laboratory, science should come out from laboratory, because being in laboratory, mixing the mixture and getting out the result, that is concentrated in the laboratory only, which is helpful for the scientific person, which is helpful for the scientific person. But yes, I'm laughing somewhere, but because I'm telling you just for why I'm laughing. I'm laughing that I am personally not a religious person, so You might say that I am supporting science because I am not a religious person, but that's why I was laughing. But yes, uh, so being scientific is somewhat different. It is not a controversy between, although I laughed, but it is not a controversy between being scientific and being religious. A scientific person can be a religious person, but religious blindness is something different. If a person is if a person is diseased, or if a baby is taking birth diseased in a diseased way, so if I am telling that it is an outcome of past date, no, you should go for the remedy, you should go for the reason why he has taken this type of birth, what is the, or if I am having the this disease, so if you will leave me that yes, he or she is diseased because it is his outcome. But no, you will go to the doctor, you will get its remedy, you will deal it scientifically, and then having medicine or this or that, one can come back in one's own normal life. So writer has again mentioned at two places that although science has developed in many other places, it has given a contribution in our day-to-day life at many places, but mainly in the place of war and in the place of medicine. Both the writer has mentioned at both the places, it has mentioned a lot like anything. I mean, in war, earlier we didn't have any equipments, any bold equipments to fight for, although the destructive things is not good, but yes, using it as our prevention, it is needed. It is badly needed rather. So in the field of war, now we have so many equipments and so many things for war, for fighting, and in the field of medicine, yes, earlier for the fickle thing one dies, they don't have, even for the baby birth or for everything, if they got cold, they died. There were no medicine or developed medicine at that time, but now we have definitely developed a lot, and now thyroid, diabetes, BP, these sort of disease have become no mention. These diseases are very carefree disease. We can have a capsule and we can easily maintain our life schedule. So this is the invention of earlier. These diseases were big things. Now even corona, we are suffering from. But yes, doctors are doing their research, and many more are still out of danger. Many more are coming out of danger. So thing is that scientific research in the field of medicine, definitely if someone is running from major disease, if someone is telling that taking this leaf or taking this mixture, it will be helpful for this disease, will you ever take? No, till it is not sanctioned by the medical science. Till medical science is not proving that taking this mixture will be beneficial in this disease, you are not going to have that mixture. This shows the importance of science, the power of science. Means ki, and second important thing is that science we can't evade nothing. The scientific approach, the religious people says that yes, if you will come back to nature, if we will start coming back to nature, means being natural, then we will prevent our death rate, we will prevent our disease. Is it possible truly? Is it possible? The writer is you might say that the writer is mocking over this statement, saying this ki yes, then first we should leave using our clothes, we will start we will start staying nude like early Adi Manoli used to live. Yes, the first cultivation is that cloth. So we should, we should leave utilization of going back to nature, means we should start eating gross food. We should leave our clothes. Is it possible? Not at all. How could we go back to nature? It is a funniest statement. The writer has mocked over this, saying this, that if we will start following this rule that going back to nature is the single remedy, then we will start leaving our clothes, our dress up first thing. Then only we can go back to our old schedule. Means what? Means being scientific and taking religious people says that everything, if it is not justified, it is our past deed. कुछ पाप किया होगा तभी ये काटा. अरे कुछ पाप हुआ is old days. Who is there to judge me? Everything at one place, it is said that every action has its reaction. You are saying this, every action has its reaction. Then, and reaction means emotion, and emotion, you are also already saying that emotion can be boundless. If emotion will go with reasoning, it can't be a true emotion. But yes, it should be under reasoning. But then the thing will be perfect. Then and no human is perfect. So how can you say that yes, this is logical, this is who are you to judge? So past, what I did in my past birth, no one is there to know, na? So you can't justify everything that you are taking this outcome, you are getting your outcome just because of your past data. Where religious people say this. So because it is not scientifically done, that's why writer is not supportive this ki yes, the thing is justified, because it is the past, it is of your past deed, that's why it is justified. The writer is not supportive with this, and very, very genuine he is saying that no, not at all. You are bound to concentrate over why you are getting this result, why this thing happened to you, and when only you deal it, you scientifically analyze this, then only you can get its remedy. And when you will get its remedy, then you can develop your thing, because doing this remedy, the problem will sort out. So the writer is very supportive towards scientific point of view, and he is telling that earlier, although that we were not scientifically developed, that's why we were supposed to be accepted as undeveloped personality, but now we have. So science should come out of laboratory means doing the research in the laboratory, coming out with new invention, but scientific point of view will give you a social development, a mental development, and development in the society. Development of our country doesn't mean inventing something. Yes, inventing something is definitely a reflection of our development, but it is not everything. It is definitely, it is important, but it is not everything. It means ki yes, our scientific concept, we feel our scientific concept, that's why we researched, and then that's why we come out with new invention. Yes, but scientific reasoning and justified reasoning and dealing anything very scientifically, very reasonably, if I am analyzing something, that gives you a social growth, that gives you a growth as a personality. And this way, if we will start developing our society, then our society will be a developed society. Our society will be a grown-up society. So writer is scientific point of view. So writer is such a thing at that time. when science was not developed, when we were not developed with the help of science, we were only concentrating over our past deed, over our religious concept and Christian concept. Why does the writer mention? Because the writer is a foreign personality, and definitely foreign personality. Christianity works there, so that's why Christianity and one more places not in this piece of writing, but it is an example that earlier Pope feel that yes, we were the representative of God, and we are here to give you the punishment according to the Bible, according to the Christianity mode of Christianity says. And they used to, and even in our Pandit also, Maulvis also, at every representative of our religion, they feel themselves somewhere that they are the representative of God, and they are good enough to give you and to judge your right or wrong deeds, or to analyze your future or past. So all these are not scientifically done. So writer is telling all of us time and again, just be scientific and be just it is this chapter never gives you controversy that yes, it is a fight between being religious or being scientific. It is one part it is taking that yes, be scientific. It is not telling that don't be religious. Taking my point, the writer is not saying that don't be religious. The writer is saying that be scientific. Be scientific and try to analyze things in a scientific way. Then only our society will develop, then only your concept will develop, then only things will develop. So go with this chapter, analyze the thing, and this is the moral of the chapter, that yes, science, we must support science, and we should analyze things in a scientific way, and our mind should be scientific, be reasonable, and this way if we should work, definitely our society will take growth. So taking my point, is it clear now? Okay, have a nice day.